Stop. You've been sneezing wrong your entire life. That weak little achoo. Embarrassing. Amateur. Disrespectful to your ancestors. Today, I will teach you how to sneeze like a professional. Never rush a sneeze. A professional sneeze is marinated, seasoned, emotionally prepared. You don't sneeze, you announce it. Next, posture. Lean forward slightly, like you're about to reveal a life-changing secret. Now the sneeze itself. A real pro uses the triple layer technique: the inhale, the face distortion, and the explosive release. But wait, amateurs stop here. A professional commits to the aftermath. Slowly recover, look around as if nothing happened. Bonus points if someone says "bless you" and you nod like a mysterious warrior. Congratulations, you are now a certified sneeze professional. Use your power wisely, and maybe carry tissues. Subscribe for more life skills you definitely didn't need.